Hello guys, in this video we're going to be talking about risk management. I'm going to be showing you how you can manage your risk with the stop loss and the take profits function on the trader5. So guys, we're going to be talking about how to make use of the stop loss and the take profit on a trade. So if you want to know how this works, stick to this video till the end. Alright guys, here we are. I've already opened this trade and I took off the stop loss and the take profit function so that I will be able to show you guys how it's done from the scratch. So guys, do not ever open a trade without your stop loss and the take profit, especially your stop loss. It is very important. It's gonna help you manage your risk in any trade you are opening, so take note of that. So quickly, I'm just going to show you how to place that. All right, so now before I do that, I need to, before I put my stop loss, okay, right now I'm going to use this particular trade going on my screen right now for you to see. I opened the trade over here, which is over here. You can see it already. I opened the trade somewhere here. So I'm on the day time frame anyway. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see now I opened this trade right over here. The trade was open over here. So to put my my stop loss, I always, most of the time before I put stop loss and take profit, I always calculate everything, you know. So I always make use of these lines. Let me just show you where you can quickly get all these lines. Once you tap on the screen and you see this particular shapes over here, that's where you get lines. You just click on it and you can see the lines up above here, so you can use them to make calculations and analyze your chart very well before you do before placing trade on whatever you want to do. Maybe I'll do another video showing you guys how to make analysis with lines, trend lines, and you know, other stuffs like that. But quickly, let me continue with this video. So I brought out these lines. I used them to place my stop loss and my take profits before actually activating it on the chart. So these are what I did. I put my stop loss over here because this is a recent resistance from the chart. You can see where my stop loss is. I put my stop loss there. Then my take profit in this particular chart, in this particular trade that I opened, I can see take profit. We can see take profit like in two places right now. So I can decide to put my take profit here, yes, and I can, my second take profit can be somewhere here. So it depends. Put the stop loss and the take profit. All right, now after fixing these lines where they are supposed to be, where my stop loss supposed to be and my take profit supposed to be, I'm just going to copy out this this number. You can see over here I have 65.2501.78. so all I need to do is to go here and I click on the trade and I 521, it was 65.21 08.78, I guess. Okay, then let's click on modify. Done. Now let's take a look at the chart. You can see already, you can see my stop loss has appeared over here. You can see the line, the stop loss line is already here now. And now I want to put my take profits on. Let me just say my take profit is here. Let me put my take profit here. So let's say my take profit is here. I'm just going to copy again this particular number, which is over here. That's 663. Let's go. Well, long click, modify, then go here. Say 663 points. Maybe just leave it on 10. Then done. Then all right, so now you can see my take profit is also available here. You can see, so my stop loss is over here, my take profit is here. So like I said earlier on, you can decide, if you're a swing trader, not a day trader, you can decide to put your stop loss or down over here. Then you're going to be earning more. You're going to be earning like double, I think more than double anyway. You're going to be earning more but it's not going to be in a day. It's going to take maybe like maybe a few days, like 2 or 3 more days before the chart, the candlestick will eventually come down here. So I prefer doing swing trading because it gives me time to do other stuffs. I'm not a full-time trader, so yeah, I prefer doing swing trading while I have time to do other stuffs. And so that is it. So guys, I just showed you guys how you can place your stop loss on your trade once you open your trades. Anytime you open a trade, you do not have to stick around and watch the charts all day long without you doing nothing else. So it's better you use the stop loss and the take profit in order for you to have time to do something else. Once you set it and you can go off the trade, and once the chart is going against you, it's definitely not going to go more than your stop loss. So what the stop loss is actually doing there is to stop the loss. If this trade decides to go against me and everything keeps going this way, once it gets to this stop loss, my trade is going to stop. Meaning once it gets here, my trade has to stop because I've already programmed this trade to stop here. So I won't be losing more than this particular amount I am risking here. And once it is take profit, once I set my take profit here and the trade hit, the candlestick hits here, it's going to cut off the trade again, because it's going to just take the profits, any amount I made from here down here. I don't know how many pips are this, but any amount I made from here down, it's going to be added to my balance and the trade is going to cut off. So guys, that is how you can use the take profit and the stop loss to manage your account. It's really important you know how to use it to manage risk on your account when you are opening trades. So guys, if you like this video I just showed you, first of all, give this video a thumbs up. In order for you not to miss my next video, subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified once I upload a brand new one. So guys, I see you again in the next video. Bye.